Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuse for the keyless ignition node module on that generation Dodge Ram. What do we need to do? Open the hood. Once you guys open the hood, here on the driver's side, you see that's the car battery. Right in front of it you have that cover. It has two tabs. You need to press them. Once you do that, you can lift that cover. It will open. On the inside you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So, for the keyless ignition node module, we need to check one fuse, guys, and which one this one is. By the way, make sure to stand till the end. We'll give you good advice so you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. You come in that row of fuses here, guys. The fuse that we need to check, that's number 51. That fuse right here will be the one that you will, guys, need to check, that 10 amp fuse. You have all kinds of fuses and relays, guys. We'll recommend to buy some spares, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind. Those are hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere or a small town. It happened to us, we couldn't buy replacement and we were stuck because of that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.